Picture this. You are strolling on the social media and everyone is telling you how easy it is to make millions of money online by starting a dropshipping business, flipping houses, or even launching your own app. They make it sound like a sure thing. Just follow their advice and you'll be rolling in a lot of cash. But here's the uncomfortable truth. They are lying to you. These businesses are not just incredibly difficult, but they are traps for beginners. If you are new to this business and fall for these traps, you could end up wasting your time, money, and energy, putting your dreams of financial freedom in jeopardy. See, nowadays it's easy to get caught up in the hype. Everyone is pushing the next big thing that promises to make you rich overnight. But what they don't tell you is what I'm about to tell you, that these businesses are incredibly difficult. They require skills, experience, and resources that most beginners don't have, can't afford, and don't even know how to go about it. But when you fall for their trap and choose the wrong business to start, you are definitely going to be frustrated, burn out, and financial losses. In this video, I'm going to show you and guide you through 5 businesses you can start based on my research, businesses that are beginner friendly and you can start them right away. But first, let me expose the popular businesses that are constantly being recommended for beginners so that you don't fall for their traps and start your own business the right way, saving you a lot of headache, time, and loss of your hard-earned money. The first business on my list is the business you see everywhere on the internet. Dropshipping is sold to everyone on the internet as a perfect low-cost business. No need for inventories or warehouses. Just find the products and sell them online. But here is really what happens. You spend weeks after weeks trying to set up your online dropshipping store and also to compete with millions of other dropshippers on the internet. That is not a small feat. Then after that, you go on to run Facebook or Google ads to your dropshipping store, draining you of a lot of capitals without any sales. Now, even if you manage to make some sales, the profit margin is very small. Plus, customer service can become a nightmare with shipping delay and a low quality product from your suppliers. Now, here is the reality. Dropshipping is a good business, but it's not for beginners. There are a lot of competition and low margins that require advanced digital marketing skill, plus the fact that you need to constantly optimize your adverts, your product listings, and what have you. It is far from beginner-friendly business. If you are a beginner, don't go for dropshipping. You're going to lose your money and lose your energy and still not make profit as a beginner. Business idea number 2 that no beginner should ever try. The idea of flipping houses for profit sounds glamorous. Buy low, fix it up, sell high, and pocket the profit. But for beginners, this business is filled with risks. You need a deep understanding of the real estate market, access to significant capital, and a solid network of contractors for you to be able to make it in the real estate flipping business. One bad deals or unexpected repairs can wipe out your entire profit or even land you in debt. So if you are thinking about going for real estate flipping, this is what I have to tell you. For a beginner, you need to understand that real estate flipping is capital intensive and full of hidden costs, making it a risky venture for someone just starting out. Business idea no beginner should ever try is the cash cow of all the businesses. This is like the la creme de la creme of businesses online. Everybody tell you, go and create your own app, your own SaaS, your own no-code app and start making money on the internet. You might have heard about building an app. It's a great try. The truth is, the process of developing an app, even as a web app developer, I can tell you, it's a long game, costly and technically demanding. In a situation where you want to create your own app and you don't have a coding skill, you might need to hire a developer. At that point, you're already facing an uphill battle. As a beginner, hiring a developer, come on, that is a no-go area. Even if you manage to get funding, somebody said, know what, I love your idea, it's a fantastic idea, I'm going to fund the app, and you are able to develop this app, you still have the next challenge. You are competing with a saturated market where 90% of apps fail within 1 to 3 years of development. So the takeout here is that without technical skills and a strong marketing expertise and strategy, app development is not for beginner and the risk is too high for any beginner to try. So it's a no-go area. Business idea number 4 that is constantly being preached that every beginner should go and start. It's a very good business. Go and start it. You will start rolling in cash. Is starting a brick and mortar restaurant. Everyone loves the idea of owning a restaurant. Great food, lively atmosphere, and satisfied customers. Trust me, I own a restaurant and I know what I'm talking about. But the reality is that restaurant business is notoriously difficult, even for seasoned entrepreneurs. It requires huge investment upfront, constant management, dealing with everything from staffing to inventories to the health of workers, so much regulation around food and the health industry. The competition is fierce and profit margin is often very, very low. As a result of that, many restaurants closes their operation within the first 5 years of starting that business. So, as a beginner, is that type of business you want to go start? No, you can't start a restaurant business. Is too high risk for a beginner. Finally, you hear people talking about freelancing. Go and start a freelancing. Go and do this. Be working from home. Make your money. Design, sell, give it to them, and they're going to be paying you. You have freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. Yes, we can't dispute the fact that you can get that while working on the internet. But it's not for everybody. It's a wrong idea for a beginner. The truth is, graphic design as a freelance, an easy way to make money online, is too saturated. So you as a beginner, you're going to be battling with a lot of high-end advanced graphic designer who are already in the market. If you have the graphic, especially if you have a creative flair, let's say you love designing and you like creativity and all that, then everybody tell you go and become a freelance graphic designer. But here's the truth about becoming a freelance graphic designer. It is a crowded field and success requires more than just a talent. For you to make a substantial amount of income as a freelance graphic designer, you need business acumen, marketing skills, and client management. Usually, beginners do not have these skills to begin with. So many beginners struggle to find clients, and when they do find the client will underprice their work because they are just beginners. So they will be earning little to nothing as a freelance graphic designers. But here is it. When it comes to freelance graphic designer, what you need is usually a powerful portfolio, an established network of clients, and also good pricing strategy. So usually, beginners do not have these qualities. So as a result, it becomes non-beginner friendly business for beginners to start. So now the big question is this: if all these popular businesses that you can start online are difficult for beginners, what then are the businesses that beginners can literally start right now and start making money in this same year? If that is your question, I got you covered. Here are genuinely 5 beginner-friendly businesses that you can start right now. Not only are they beginner-friendly, but they also require low startup costs, minimal skills, and high profit potential for any beginner out there who wants to start these businesses. The first business on my list is something you will love. It's so beginner-friendly that anyone can give it a try. Here's what you need to do when it comes to this first business on my list. All you need to do is to create a custom product like t-shirts, tote bags, mugs with a unique design without inventories, right? Then hop on platforms like Printful, Redbubble, Etsy to help you handle the sales of these products and also the shipping. Yes, they will literally help you in shipping the products that you only give them the design. You are not giving them any product, just the designs. So by so doing, the only thing you're going to focus on here right now will be just the marketing. You can see what I'm talking about. You need any business that will just give you the leverage of focusing on only one stuff, but not you as a beginner trying to do everything, the marketing, the product, the this and that. The design, you can get them done on Canva for free, right? The only thing you're focusing here right now will just be the marketing of your products. This first business I'm talking about is called Print on Demand. Yes, it's called Print on Demand, and it requires minimal investment, just the cost of marketing. That's all. The second business beginner can start right now is similar to the first one. This time around, you as a beginner, you are creating and selling products like ebooks, templates, course workbooks, simple designs that you can do on Canva. Yes, I'm talking about selling digital products online. The beauty of digital products is that you create once and can be sold repeatedly without additional cost. With tools like Canva, Gumroad, even beginners can create their own professional digital products and start selling them within days. Now, the third business beginner can start right now in this same year is also similar to the first and the second one, just that this one is less demanding compared to the first two. It's called affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? When it comes to affiliate marketing, all you need to do is to get a product that somebody else have created. The person is going to fulfill it. The person is going to handle inventories. All you need to do is to get a link to that product after registering for platforms that will allow you share the link of that product. When you share the link of that particular product, it can be digital product or physical product, and the owners of this product can give you commission on sales up to 70 to 90% on each of the sales that you help them generate based on you sharing their links. That's all. It's called affiliate marketing. Now, as a matter of fact, when it comes to affiliate marketing, I've been involved with affiliate marketing for a long period now, and I can share you some screenshots of the earnings I made. Some days I make $500 on affiliate marketing using platforms like ClickBank, Digi24, and some of the courses that I've taken by my own self from my mentors, like people like Myron Golding and other mentors that have taken their courses. I'm affiliating with these mentors and with this platform to be able to make money without creating products, delivering the products, handling inventories, but just making money by sharing the link of these products. And any beginner can literally start this. Anyone can start this affiliate marketing right now. I'll leave a link below for you to go check some of the platforms and go and start them for yourselves. The next business you can start right now as a beginner without investing fortune in it and to make so much return from now and continually making money is to become a content creator on YouTube. Yes, I'm talking about exactly what I'm doing right now. You see, you can just turn up your camera, your phone, be it any type of phone, and record any knowledge you have, skills and expertise. Put it there on the internet. People will love to hear, to know what you know, and also you'll be able to start generating income by creating content on YouTube. You don't need a fancy camera, you don't need fancy gadgets, you don't need fancy lights. You can literally start by just sharing your information on a Google Doc. Put the information on Google Doc, open any of these tools, Canva, Camtasia, and start recording what you know. With that, you can start making money with your content. By putting affiliate links on your content, you can do a product review. Talk about different products that you know you are using. Review them. Put affiliate link on those YouTube videos. You start making money by the beginner. This is something you can start. You don't need fortune for this. You don't need anything to start this, guys. This is beginner friendly. And the moment you start this, you can start making money through affiliates, through sponsorships, through monetizing your YouTube channel by YouTube paying you through Google AdSense. This is a lucrative one for you guys to start if you are a beginner. The next business on my list that beginners should start right now is no other. Everyone can do this. Everybody can go and do this because guess what? We are all on social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter or X, TikTok. But guess what? We are not doing. We are not making money as we should. You can literally help celebrities and influencers manage their social media platforms, and you can be making money from that. Yes. So I'm talking about social media management. Anyone can start social media management right now in this year. Many small businesses need help managing their social media accounts, but they can't afford a full-time employee. So you are somebody who can get this done for them. If you are already familiar with the platforms, like I just mentioned, all you need to do is to offer your services to these local business owners. And this is a service-based business with minimal overhead and can be done part-time from anywhere in the world. You see how beginner-friendly this is? You don't need fancy gadgets, money to start, marketing, and a lot of stuff that they tell you to go and do as a beginner. With this, you can start to learn the rope with this. Before you know it, you will be on your way to start making money on the internet. Now wait, before you hit the ground running, there is something you need to understand. When it comes to these 5 businesses that I just mentioned right now, the key to success here is not all about just going to try all these things that I mentioned. You need to pick one of them, the one that suits you, the one you feel is something you can start right now, today. See, taking action is more important than just getting knowledge that you will never put to use in the first place. So focus on something that can give you the best time leverage that you can start right now and go into it. Acquire more knowledge around it. Before you know, you will find yourself becoming good at it. And now, if you are serious in taking this into the next level, if you are really serious, especially if you want to start creating digital products, I will urge you to go and watch the next video on how to create your own digital products so that you can start selling. You can start from there. That is very low cost, without the cost of camera, without the cost of buying gadgets or the cost of trying to do something too difficult. Go learn how to create your digital products and start selling them to make money online as a beginner. Go and click the link. Yes, go and click it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.